Hello YouTube, this is Jared from the Harlem and Brooklyn Railroad. Today I just wanted to provide two quick updates. Although I'm doing some other things on the layout, I can recognize those things later. So right now I have added some Atlas street lights to the passenger area, as you can see. So I had two packs and they are all working well. I have a quick video that I'll show right after with the lights off so you can get a better feel for it. Painted some more, put some more pavement down. So I'm just touching things up. Added some ballast towards the yard area to kind of mimic some maintenance away cars going by on the rails. So that is this area. So I had a 3 locomotive consist parked up on the 3rd level. Normally I have my engines parked on some isolated track where I can turn the power off, but this time I didn't. And what ended up happening is my Digitrack system, this happens every once in a while, and this is why I have the trains parked in isolated track. Somehow the addresses were mixed up, and I thought I was controlling one train, but I ended up actually pulling this 3 locomotive consist into a turnout, and for some strange reason it didn't go through. So I'm not sure if 2 of the 3 were incorrect or if it was just one, but it did pull the train the distance. The train ended up stalling in the turnout, and it got so heated that the plastic on the truck melted a bit. So that's the first time that happens, and so I'll be aware of that. So I have some trucks on order, and once that, I also got parts for the 2BNSF, the ACE, and that's SD70 Mac. Not sure what happened to the ACE. I think I'm not sure if it's intermittently shorting. Anyway, I just purchased another motor. I know that the coder in there works, so I will clean it out, make sure that nothing is short circuiting, and that will be back on the layout. The SD70 Mac, that there, I just pulled out the decoder out that too. That I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I might just turn that back into a DC motor, a DC engine. So that is that.
I'll definitely will be adding more street lights. I tried the cheaper approach with some HO lights from Hobby Lobby. Immediately they fell, and I realized that I need some type of resistor based on the AC power supply that I have, which I think is at minimum 15. There aren't any specs on those cheap lights, so in the future I will plan to add more. Also, after this cut, I do have some additional operating video that I've taped previously, so if you have the time, feel free to watch. Thanks. Right now we're on the B line. The B line gives entrance to the main yard and to the main in general, the main line that is. Right now, I'm taking the B line to the other side of the yard, where at that point I will break the train down and we'll start taking loads to the metro plant. Often my daughter's in here watching the trains go around with me, and she's on her side playing with her toy cars and such, so you'll hear her in the background.
How about we take a walk?
So this is my first trial, and I'm just kind of sizing things out, trying to figure out the cuts I need to get things situated near the metro plant as well as the elevator. This left-hand switch off of the A line is currently manually controlled. I'll add an Atlas switch on it soon because it is a bit of a reach to get back there. This area is slowly being developed. I did add more street to it, but there, as you can see, I have little space, so there's little that I can do. I did clear out some of that pink foam that you see holding up the third level. I eventually would like to transfer live loads. So my rotary dumper, although delayed, I do plan to have that operational, meaning that I will drop loads as you see right here and have it rotate. And at some point have that area loaded with the coal and recycle, bring it back to the coal elevator. So I'll probably have just 2 cars at a time that's able to be dumped. I'll have to switch out the cattle couplers. I'll probably do it for every 2, just so it's a bit easier to couple and uncouple since I don't have the best situation back here.
Yeah. But